Jesus, don't be with a tie neck.
Hey, you shouldn't be in a tie like that.
No wonder anytime when they sleep, my leg, Jesus, my neck.
But we need to show people. We need to show people. We need to show people.
Jesus.
Hey.
What did
happen here? Now you get this house.
What's this?
What are you? What are you?
What's this?
What are you on my bed? Oga, why you go put this kind of thing for your house? You wait till you go find my house. When you go check under my bed. Why you go put this kind of thing for your house? Now your business. This is concern you. It concern you. So you use this. Shut up your mouth. Who is it? This is not a protection. I'm packing me for village. Your papa might give you this dog, baby self. Now my grandma is tired. This is for my personal use. See, don't ever try to tie up with you next time. This might not be better person. You not be better person. See, when I go, see you. So you come inside my house because what is this in my house?
Why you forget taxi for us? Not tell me.
Not your house. You rent this house with me. Eh? You rent this house with me when you ask me. You, where I move my house. Not my house. Oga, me no go see this come out and that. Oga, I know what you do. Oga, this thing here, they're supposed to arrest me for this thing what they do. Arrest me for protecting myself or waiting. I will say, this is about protection. This is about protection against my grandmother. My grandmother winch. Jesus. This is about protection. My grandmother winch. Now you be my grandmother. So she tell you she won't kill you. You know many people that woman knocking for village. Leave this thing for my protection and you. So you get mine come under my bed. Under my bed.
Don't be there, you get this time. Don't be this time where you get there.
You don't mad. See, man, I warn you now. For your life, no ever second video under my bed.
God.
Hey, God.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about one girl wey catch a boyfriend of the juju wey the boy they do for Ramses, my people. Hey. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. My people, this one shocked me, like seriously. Since the apple for this social media, oh. If not be social media, we for not they know where to the apple, my people. So, my darling people, my correct people, this girl say make you open under bed. Now you see a small pot where the boy put for use red, take time and we want dumb baby. When I know how those central boys that time for Italy, now jazz that they use for girls. Now Juju they collect money from girls that time. So this one, he can't do the Juju. He can't put her for under the bed. So now there now for the remote the girl ever since. The girl not even know what they do ever since. Hey. This one our boyfriend though. Boyfriend, my people. Hey. I'm not surprised because many girls that time catch their boyfriend there. Many girls that time go they spend money for man like say tomorrow no day. Because they don't know what they do. When I understand. You get one that time an eye pencil, this one they do in home. You go just put the eye pencil and then draw for the bring and can't give her. You go just put her for under of you go to use and take the leg like as women they do one. No, he say this guy they do this thing so that the girl go they spend money for him. One day, now the girl take cash am. And the girl say, what if they use that pencil they do? You will be say, now maybe woman, I mean you they do gay. Now later, they come find that say, now what they use for the girl. When I understand. This one shocked me now when me see her just now. Hey, they say wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like bicycle. I said I will put the video make una they see something. Small pot with red. Like this guy they tie. So this social media no so una no want let us rest, tabi. Una no want let us rest for social media. Hey, my correct people. This one shocked me. Eh? So now Juju now, una they use for girls. So the girl no go know what they do. Go have the pack money they give una anyhow. Eh? Hey, my people, oh. This one shocked me, like seriously. It shocked me, oh. It shocked me. I was like, this the apple. This the way they happen, eh? So you carry Juju they use for girl since. Work. We went to boys of now. This do not feel work. Where guys they work. Also for Nigeria anyhow. Guys they also like say tomorrow not day. Una will not be like that. Una go come they use people like seriously. Like seriously. Boys. Hey. Una go they do juju for girl we can also like una. So Oyibo not come let una do the juju for again. A black una go they do am for. Not the way person not go see for this abule. Not the way we not go see by people. Oh, not the way we not go see for this social media. So now what una they use for guests? I know they surprised because that time even some calories go come out for their mouth. When they tell the toast woman or juju what they don't do can't give them. Calories go just come out for their mouth. Different things that time, my people. Different things. What it I think it go shock you that time when you go see girls. Girls, the boys they use juju till they talk to them. Not be smarty. We will not see that time for Italy. So this one now don't catch your boyfriend. More are still coming, oh. More are still coming, my people. Una go see, una go tire. This one shock talize me now when me small pots follow the girl. They say, no. He get one that time. That one they said. He boyfriend, he girlfriend, the night wear where the girl they wear. He go just send and go Nigeria. They'll do the thing finish. They'll come send and come back. So he go back the time the girl say anytime when you wear this thing, hi, my Joto must go just stand. Kokoroko. He go just stand. The girl don't quick code. And the girl can't say no. One day the girl can't look for the night wear, not see him. Later, all of a sudden the night wear see him again. The boy say, this one you want me the girl wear. This one I want me the girl wear. No, the girl can't cash him when you go collect the parcel come. You understand? You don't say the girl see him when they keep her for inside the girl cloth back. Because they made the girl wear. The girl say, no, I don't feel wear them. I don't want to wear them. I'll wear another one. I say, no, this one. If you wear them, you almost go stand. Kokoroko. Wear them. The girl say, I know they wear. I don't make you wear them. May you wear a black boy no one wear will not be small fight so not be small too. Not the girl say I cash and when you go collect this thing come. Where you carry my night wear go? Where you carry her go now the boy can begin to confess. Not be small thing, my people. Not be small thing. Now that day the girl eye clear. The girl called the talker. They pack money give this man. God go punish you now all those central boys one by one. Ma put the video make understand me the video not too long, my darling people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
See, come sweet night see under my boyfriend bed though.
What's it mean?
I don't know. I don't just understand. I mean, where's that thing? I don't understand.
Jesus. Ah, not be pot with this.
Yes, so
all those native pots then. Jesus.
Boy, I don't date for how many years?
Hey.
Jesus. What's in there inside? What's in there inside?
Wait, make a share.
Jesus. Stop it, baby, with that.
Hey. This guy don't use you do ritual.
Jesus.
This guy don't use you do ritual.
God.
Hey. Guy.
Ah.
Hey.
Jesus, the people that tie neck.
Hey, you shouldn't be in a tie like that.
No, but anytime they slip my leg, Jesus, my neck.
Oh, we need to show people. We need to show people.
Jesus.
Hey.
What
did happen here? Now you get this house.
What's this?
What are you?
What's this?
What are you on my bed? Oga, why you go put this kind of thing for your house? You wait till you go find my house. When you go check under my bed. Why you go put this kind of thing for your house? Now your business. This is concern you. It concern you. So you ritualist. Shut up your mouth. Who is the ritualist? This is not a protection. I'm packing me for village. Your mother might give me this dog, baby self. Now my grandma they tie. This is about my personal. See, don't even try to be shooting next time. This man don't be better person. Don't be better person. See, when I see you. So you come to my house because what is this in my house?
Why you get taxi fast? Not tell me.
Not your house. You rent this house with me. Eh? You rent this house with me. Where you are? You where I move my house. Move my house. Oga, me no go fit see come out like that. Oga, Oga, this thing they're supposed to arrest me for this thing they do. Arrest me for protecting myself or waiting. I will say this is about protection. This is about protection against my grandmother. My grandmother winch. Jesus. This is about protection. My grandmother winch. Now you be my grandmother. So she doesn't want to kill you. You know people that woman knocking for village. Leave this thing of my protection and you. So you get mine come under my bed. Under my bed.
Don't be me you get this. Don't be this as me you dey.
You ain't looking for it. You ain't looking for it. You mad. You dey mad. See, man, I warn you now. For your life, no ever shake anything under my bed.
God.
Hey! What you God, what you gonna do you?
Nothing personal they see.
Don't try this next time. Don't try this next time. I wish you carry phone before. I will slap you now.
See me, Joe. She can't say Steve.
Video aware.
I can't bad. You ritually
I will slap you now. I will slap you. When you say, come up my house on you.
Okay, man, they come up going
I take it out.
You never tell us the main reason why I put this spot for you. And not top is better they carry out the girls.
Don't say I carry this thing because of you for better.
Who was that ball?
Holy Ghost fire. It's never my portion.
I will carry it because of you. We like kill you.
Holy Ghost fire. It cannot happen.
So you fear. What man like you they fear? You know that evil things in this country, we got to protect ourselves.
Okay, if you want to protect yourself, you go church.
I am not
go church.
You don't be serious person. I will